It's your boy Kenny K. It's my Tinny over here. 3.7 Stacer V-nose pump with a 25 Yummy on it. Goes alright. I'll be taking it down to Cairns in the morning. Hopefully get it fixed with my mate. Got a bit of a crack. The stem just runs along there. I'll just show you real quick. There's the crack there. It's about a hand width. Cracked it about a month ago. Beautiful day out here in Cairns. We're about to go to see my mate. About to weld it up. Just pulled up at my mate's workshop now, so good old two-stroke. I had to strip everything. I'm about to take all that out. Yeah, I just pulled up at the workshop now. My mate's about to work on it now, so I'll head back in there and show you guys.
My little office, mate. So I was doing those little toolboxes and the guards.
Oh, yeah? That's clean as, man.
Funny it look that clean on your boat.
What's up, man? That should hold those figure eights too, eh?
Yeah, that should hold. Is it light?
Yeah, no, it's pretty light.
I was going to say, we'll take that off. Yeah. We'll flip this. If we flip it, and I can weld that first. So when we get on the inside, we can just weld the inside as well. Do this.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, right. You have a wide brush?
Yeah, I'm going to clean it first.
Grinder with a grinder.
Here to here.
That's all MIG, eh? With a push MIG?
So I'll put TIG on. So it doesn't crack anymore because that's starting to go there.
Yeah.
It's going to fill that all. We'll give it a quick brush and then I'll pulse back over it.
What's he trying to do, some figure eights on it?
Yeah, so it overlaps so it holds a bit stronger.
Thanks, bro. Finally get to see the bro in action, eh?
Mate, not the cleanest work, but fuck it will do.
Yeah, it's all good, eh?
Yeah. It's all underneath that fucking centre bar.
Yeah, nah.
Should be alright.
What do you reckon, man?
I'll chuck the hose down the side.
Yep.
And we'll see if it leaks.
Alright. Alright, let's see if this bad boy leaks. It's on a bit of an angle. Any leaks underneath?
Nothing?
Nah. Can't see any leaks. She's good to go. Thanks, bro. I better crack mine.
Working Friday, boys.
Cheers, eh?
Yeah, Fridays for the boys.
Yo, keen to get it on the water. So the tinny's all done now. Me and my boy Ty will be hitting the water first thing in the morning. Beautiful weather today. And here at Mason's Beach, Barron River. My boy Ty with me. These days. Yeah. Yeah, I'll keep going down this way. Just let me know. Hopefully we can catch a barrow or jack would be nice. It's getting a bit warm, colder too, so hopefully there's some threadies out. Man, imagine if we got like a group of threadies out. That was a good one. Yeah, man. Last day.
Oh, we're on the rocks. Trying to skip right over the top.
We're gonna have a look on the corner over there. See if we have any luck. I reckon we can just have a flick too along there. I might switch it up to prawns. Chuck a vibe on it. So glad we're back in action though. Beautiful day.
Let's go.
At the mouth of Machin's, Barron River. See if there's any barrows around there. A good old barrow buster. Give that a go. Got a bit of a snag. You like the black magic, eh? Black magic goes alright. I noticed everyone uses it. Yeah, true that. What do you call that one?
FG knot.
Yeah, not bad.
Fucking good.
Looks like the tinny's all good to go. Didn't catch much fish, had a few bites, but the main thing was just to get the boat up and going again. No holes and no crack in it, so stay tuned in the next episode, guys.